Do you do quotes for maintenance jobs? It's completely understandable that you may want to get more than one quote for smaller work orders. After all, you want the best deal possible, right? There can be a snag though. Getting multiple quotes for small work orders is not very practical simply because most trades are now charging for quotes, or they simply don't provide them for small works at all. Most maintenance jobs are actually relatively small and don't cost much to sort out. For maintenance jobs that may cost more than the limit set in your management agreement, usually up to $500, we can get a quote from one of our regular trades providers. However, if you need multiple quotes for a job, your best option may be to arrange this yourself, which gives you more control over the process, and access to your property can easily be arranged for your contractors. All of our accredited trade suppliers, who are carefully vetted, insured and licensed, can provide a job estimate for you before going ahead with bigger maintenance or repair works. Invoices for work are generally paid out from your collected rents, and full details of the work order and invoice will appear on your monthly statement and be included in your online portal, which you can access at any time. Clear communication is one of your guarantees, so whatever happens, you'll be kept in the loop.